Hi, want to download Pop OS? Go download 1910 right here. If you want to download the LTS, you can click the LTS button right here. Thanks for watching. Hi everybody, I'm back, and today we're going to install Pop OS in just a few minutes. So click your languages and stuff. I'm English. Yes, English. Default, I'm English, so we're going to do that. Then custom. For the install, and we're going to do this. Device, create partition table, then add that because I just use root, I don't use anything else. So then we get that. And then we go to here, use partition, format. This is a really nice installer. So then we're going to go erase and install, and it goes just like that. Isn't this the coolest installer? Great for new users, for people that are coming over to Windows. And it's going to go and it's going to go. This is in VirtualBox, by the way. Just believe how fast this will take on an SSD or NVMe drive. Man, I can't wait to put it on one of those things. You go, System 76. Because this is an awesome, this is how I think every Ubuntu installer should be. Please make this happen, because the regular Ubuntu installer, I seem to have a lot of problems, but not this installer. So it's configuring your system. And we're done. How cool was that? And the next part, when you boot up, is all you create your user information and stuff, and you're in Pop OS. So stay tuned for that video coming up. Thank you very much.